Look at that there. So you can just see how steam coming off. So first things first, you want to try to pick oxtail that look a lot like these ones that I purchased, because the fat is nice and white, and as you can see, the meat is fresh. So that's your first step for making the best oxtail. Look at how beautiful and big these oxtails are. I can't wait till they're all cooked and ready to go. I just washed them nice. So I'm going to season them, and it takes about 3 hours to cook. All right, let's get down to business, y'all. So first thing we need to do is season the meat. So I love this seasoning from McCormick. I use it from almost everything I cook. And then, of course, I'm going to add some adobo, which is going to liven everything up. And I like to add a little curry powder, not too much, but just to enhance the flavor. Minced garlic, I add in the pot too. About 2 tablespoons for 3 pounds of meat here. And then you need to completely cover your oxtail with your liquid. So you can use about a cup of water and a cup of chicken stock or beef stock. So as it's boiling, I like to add in my chopped Vidalia onion. I prefer Vidalia onions because they're sweet, and I just like that little bit of sweetness that it adds to my oxtail. Then I'm going to add in the browning and a little more of my liquid with my flour. And I don't use too much flour, just a little bit, because I don't like my gravy to be too thick. I like it to really drizzle down the meat and just make it look so yummy. So take it easy on the flour, not too much, just enough to thicken it a little bit.